Hello, and thank you for watching this video. This is an amazing traditional Greek lemon beef stew recipe called Moschari lemonato. Look how tender this slow-cooked beef looks like. And you can't imagine the taste. It's amazing and very easy to make. I'll leave the complete ingredients list in the video description. Start by cutting the beef in big pieces. I recommend using beef neck or cheek, but you can use any cut you want. Roughly slice the carrots. Do the same with the onions. Also with the potatoes. Smash and chop the garlic. Grate the zest of 2 lemons. And squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. Heat a pan with olive oil. Sauté the beef until the meat is browned and crusty on all sides. And then remove it from the pan. Then sauté the vegetables, the carrots, the onions, and the garlic. The lemon zest. You can add some dry chilies if you want. Then season it with pepper, salt, cinnamon powder, dry thyme, a few bay leaves. Stir occasionally. Add half a glass of white dry wine. Put the beef on top. Add some fresh rosemary and dry oregano. Add the lemon juice and a cup of beef stock if you have it. Then a glass of water. Put the potatoes on top and cover with a lid until it starts to simmer. Then wrap in aluminum foil and cook into the oven for about 2 hours on medium-low heat. Two hours later, look at this. It looks amazing. I wish you could smell the flavors. And look how tender and juicy the meat is. And the taste, out of this world. Please leave a comment if you like this recipe. Please try it. You will be a chef star for your friends. Thank you for watching.